Welcome to SOHAILA'S Simple Cuisine. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you one of my best, or I should say one of my favorite recipes, and that recipe is from my mother. My mom taught me this, and I have done several different ways of doing this, from a complicated one to a simple one. So I'm going to share with you how to make Ferni or custard. But the custard without eggs, so it's just 3 ingredients and about 1 optional ingredient. So this recipe does not require a lot of ingredients, and this recipe is from Afghanistan. It's a very common and popular dessert that people do in Afghanistan, and it is delicious, simple, and very easy to make. The one that I'm going to show you is a very simple way of doing this. So if you're interested and would like to join me, please stick around, and I will be back in a minute and show you how to do this step by step. Recipe, we have about 6 cups of milk, and you can use whole milk or you can use 2% milk. I have the 2% organic milk right here, and we have a cup of granulated sugar, and we have about 12 tablespoons of corn starch. So what we need to do, we will add our corn starch with our milk. Of course, our milk should be cold. And when your milk is cold, it is very easy to mix this. So we're gonna start with our cornstarch and make sure to whisk this very good, so there is no lumps in the milk. Otherwise, your custard or your Firni is going to be lumpy, and you don't want that. And then we're gonna add our sugar, and we give it a very good whisk. Okay, so we're gonna transfer our mixture into the pot, and then turn our heat to low to medium. We're gonna keep stirring this. So you will keep stirring this for about 15 to 20 minutes. As I'm waiting for my milk to get a little thick, I just want to mention a couple ingredients, and these are totally optional. When the milk gets a little thick, I will show it to you, but I just want to show you that I use rose water. If you like the smell of this, it smells terrific to me, so I use about a tablespoon or a teaspoon even later on. And this is something new for a lot of people. This is cardamom essential oil. So instead of using the cardamom seed, I just put a few drops of this in my Ferni, and it gives it a very good smell. So you can find this online, and make sure to get the ones that says on the back of the bottle that you can consume, and it's not just for the aroma, you know, for the smell. So I just wanted to let you know. So I'll continue to stir. Your mixture is getting thick, and this is a time that you put a teaspoon of rose water, and maybe a little bit more because I like the smell. A few drops of cardamom or ale. So I'm going to put almonds on this. Just because of allergies, I don't use pistachios because my son is allergic to pistachio. So I would rather to use almonds on this. Just place almonds on top of this, and you can put any nuts that you like, or if you can totally do it without nuts, that is perfectly fine too. So here I have a couple of frozen organic berries. So I'm just going to garnish this one with the frozen fruit, just to jazz it up a little bit and make it look pretty. Then you can sprinkle a little bit of almonds on this, and that's about it. You just leave this on your counter and give it about 10 minutes to cool down, and then transfer it over to your fridge for about an hour to 2 hours. And when it's completely cold, then you can serve it. So I will just wait 10 minutes and then transfer it over to my fridge, and then I'll come back and we'll have a taste of this. Welcome back. And here's our delicious Ferni or custard. Did you see how simple it was? And they look terrific. I love the way they look, and I'm sure they are as delicious as they look. So I'll just get one and give it a try and see if this is good. Do you see the texture? It is so good, and that's how it should be. It is very creamy. It's very tasty, sweet, and the combination of rose water and cardamom essential oil gives it a very good flavor. It smells awesome, and this is absolutely delicious. So please try this simple recipe, and let me know. Please let me know. I really want to know how you make my recipes. Give a comment below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and comment below. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.